dissection of a trout. Trout is a big fish, so the students could not just see like they had in their books, in paper, they could see the fish, but also they could touch them and feel it with other senses. They watched the different parts of the external part of the fish, like the fin, the eyes, the gills, and then afterwards I showed them and they cut the fish and they could see the internal part of the fish, like for example the intestines, the heart, or I think this is a very different type of learning, because they don't just hear it like the teacher is explaining it. No, not just that, but also they could touch it, they could smell it, the disgusting smell, and I think that for them it's a deeper learning, and I think they could remember it for the rest of their lives.